we begin, this video is part of Vista Systems' It Pays to Watch program, which means we pay for you watching this video. So while you're watching, look out for the 4-digit number which will appear at some point. Write it down quickly, it's worth money, so keep your eye out for it. And thanks again for watching.
Every sign shop needs to have a modular sign system to offer to their customers. Even if you consider yourself a custom shop or a specialized manufacturer for specific types of signs like electric or vehicle graphics, it's a good idea to be able to offer a modular sign system. Some of your customers are bound to request you to supply them with wayfinding solutions. Manufacturing signage based on a modular system requires some degree of expertise to the specific system attributes in order to gain the maximum yield and desired results and profits. Therefore, it would be wise to invest some time and research when choosing a favorite system. Switching systems too often can prove to be a waste of time and money spent on training, planning, and corrections of mistakes.
With this in mind, how does one choose a single preferred system with the number of systems being offered today? The following points should help you choose a system that is right for you. The first step is to ask for free samples. A company that will not offer free samples is an indication of their marketing strategy and their overall low awareness to service and should be avoided.
Check to see if the system offers reasonably priced sample kits. Some companies will offer their kits at cost or below cost, and some will ask you to cover the cost of shipping. Look for a vendor that offers a number of sample kit options to fit most budgets. Some will even offer to customize the kit to your specific needs.
Although there are exceptions, in most cases, whether the system is flat, concave, or convex shaped, it is important that it has a modern, contemporary, clean look.
It is not always easy to assess the quality of materials used by the manufacturer. Request data sheets that reflect the specifications of the system, its ability to withstand the elements, its compatibility to outdoor, indoor, UV light. How difficult is it to paint or anodize? Check the stability of the components before and after assembly. A sense of a flimsy finished product may show a divergence in the system's components. Don't hesitate to put the system component to the test by checking their resilience. Unfortunately, they will have a good chance of being mistreated in the field.
Check for compatibility with the types of graphics and sign-making equipment you currently have available in your shop, without making further investments in new technology and equipment.
It is advisable to choose a flexible system that allows for a wide range of signage and graphic techniques. Systems that have been designed to frame or hold other substrates usually prove to be more flexible and accommodating both to the customer and the designer.
Try to choose a system that is simple to use, assemble, and install.
Save yourself the wasted time, frustration, and aggravation of dealing with a poorly designed system, which most often results in an overly complicated system.
Using a modular system naturally limits the design options to the number of sizes offered by a particular system.
Choose a system with a wide range of sizes, as this will reduce the chance of your system to be rejected by the customer or designer. It is advantageous to use a single product line per project. Look for a comprehensive system that can cover signs from the parking lot to the employee's desk. Using a system that offers only a partial solution may only complicate a cohesive installation.
There are a number of technologies available today to create compliant ADA signage, each with its special features and price.
It is imperative that the system you use is compatible with as many ADA rail signage methods as possible in order to maintain both cost effectiveness and versatility when competing on projects. It will be very restrictive to limit yourself to only one or two methods.
It is said that service is the most important element of all. It doesn't matter if you choose the perfect system if you receive bad service from your vendor.
It will somehow get passed on to your customer. Pay special attention to the level of service you are receiving in the early stages when you first approach the vendor. Talk to colleagues to get their opinion and impression and ask about their experience with the products. Don't hesitate to ask the manufacturer for references. Check to see what fabrication services are offered by the vendor. Sometimes it will prove cost-effective to have some of the fabrication done by the vendor. Also, check the delivery times, as it is important to work with a vendor you can count on to deliver as quoted. Being late can be very expensive.
The best system does not necessarily have to be the most expensive one. Shop around and remember to compare the amount of work involved in fabrication of each system, which ultimately translates into expensive labor dollars. Finally, choose a system that you like. It will show when you sell it.